We're at WBRC, Architects and Engineers, for an ASHRAE tour this evening. We're going inside.
Designer, and I also represent the State of Maine chapter of ASHRAE. I'm the Student Activities Chair, and so I coordinate the stuff this year. It's Mackenzie, and in the past it's been her.
Are actually a perforated means. Basically, if you zoomed right in, you'd see all these little, probably a quarter-inch or so perforations. Grayish wall panel you see, and the black wall panel, and just the air is naturally heated as it rises up through there. And with all this area we had to work with, I mean, it was an easy decision to put this on here and preheat our air base. We also have these what don't look so enormous fans.
Oh, sling fans?
This one is it's a 24-foot diameter fan, and it still looks tiny. So what we did is they have, I don't know if you guys have walked around AWC, but they have two pretty huge fluid coolers. You know, it's basically just a big reject the heat from the hydraulic system. When they have set up an apparatus and they're testing blades or testing like the bridge components they had, those will run for months sometimes. It goes just off the screen to the left and then out the foundation to the wells.
Now I know challenges, they were low and at near grade, and then the exhaust, the separation between the intake and exhaust, the lab exhaust fans are on the roof. Pretty interesting architectural features on here. We pulling piping into the building, and this was the pumps, and every little part and piece isn't connected. It's not a perfect model, but the contractor has an image of one of the air handlers with the fans. At one time it was 28 outside, and there is a heat recovery wheel in this. It's kind of chopped between these two symbols. And then in November, daily low temperature, mid-20s, daily high 30s. You see this band of outdoor air temperature, and then we get into here's the ASHRAE -7 design. So weather's changing, bore field temperature holding pretty much flat, even though we had design conditions. We also designed the heat pumps for, if we zoom in on this again, this black line is the 30-degree entering water temperature design point, and it had a little bit of a dip off the undisturbed earth.
Costs, well, utility costs, and then utility actual consumption, and this is in kWh.
Density ones, then we get the bigger 6-inch ones for cleaning the 6-inch pipe. So these are the pigs that they reference. So
They had one get stuck. It was a challenge.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. You can find where it is. They'll snake it, and they did find it, but they ended up having to actually chew one up and
And waste the entire thing. Very tight building. So with that VRV system we had, a very small system. Full wall.
So this is Dan's office and Andy's office right here. They use Rivet for CAD, and here's the anti-rivet tool.
This space up here. So you can see some of the display of the projects that they worked on. They have it displayed in here. This is still in the 36 Central Street, so 2 stories. We just came from here, and then all of our drafting support people pretty much in this middle area. This room here was what we used to call the blueprint room when we used to do blueprints. It's now an original master plan like we did for the waterfront. Bangor Police Station, you probably recognize we've done that. The Alumni House up at the University of Maine. This is the old waterworks building down by the hospital.
We did get wood pile, about 80-foot long pile.
Piping schematics.
Smile!
They're always on camera.